In this video, I am going to unbox and review the JBL commercial CSUM06 mini USB microphone. If you are looking for a compact and premium looking mic for your recording or streaming needs, keep watching. This is how the packaging of the JBL CSUM06 look. Clean design with key features printed on the box. Some of the key features mentioned are compact design with built-in stand, cardioid pickup pattern, plug and play operation, convenient mute switch, USB 2.0 transfer protocol, 16-bit depth sample rate up to 48 kHz, frequency response 50 Hz to 18 kHz, height of the mic is 125 mm and base is 63 mm. Net weight of the mic is 159 grams. The MRP on the box is 6600, but you can usually find it online for much less price, and the country of the origin is China. Let's open the box. First we get a small pamphlet with 5% discount code for the JBL website. The customer support number is also printed on the back. Next there is a user guide handy if you want to understand the mic functionality. Here is the mic itself wrapped in a plastic pouch. We also get a silica pouch to keep the moisture out, and USB cable with USB type C to USB A connection. That's all inside the box. The mic is in black color and looks really premium. The upper mic ball has a matte finish with a metal grill, giving it a sturdy and professional look. At the back you will find a physical mute button and a USB type C port. On the front there is a small LED indicator, and you can tilt the mic head up and down for better positioning. The base is quite heavy, which keeps the mic stable on the desk. It also has a sponge sticker underneath for the grip. Overall the build quality feels excellent. This is the included USB cable, USB type C on one end and USB type A on the other. Just plug and play, no driver needed. Once you connect the mic, the LED turns white. If you want to mute it, just press the mute button at the back and the LED will turn orange. If you want to check the sound quality, here is a short audio sample recorded using the JBL CSUM06. This is a voice sample with no recording or filters, recorded directly on JBL CSUM06. If you are interested in buying this mic, I have added the purchase link in the description below. If you found this unboxing and review helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.